This is the Tuff Clip for commercial and residential holiday light displays. The Tuff Clip is made out of durable plastic and is designed to withstand the wear and tear of installation, takedown, and harsh weather. The Tuff Clip is a sandwich-style clip that provides a 360-degree rotating fastener that is easy to install and holds lights at the perfect angle all season long, ensuring a superior holiday lights display. Even after multiple seasons, the Tuff Clip continues to hold holiday lights securely in place. Other clips easily snap and are difficult to take down after the holiday season, oftentimes getting left behind. Once assembled, the Tuff Clip does not come apart and is easy to install. Lights stay securely fastened to the power line as well as the gutter. The Tuff Clip makes the installation process quick and easy, and the lights stay in place throughout the season. After the season, takedown is a breeze as the Tuff Clip stays with the lights, preventing any clips from being left behind. This means less time, cost, and hassle. The Tuff Clip stays assembled and can easily be stored until next year. Made for both C9 and C7 size lights, the Tuff Clip is affordable, easy to use, and ensures your holiday light displays will look great season after season.